So in this scenario, a 6-year-old girl wants to use the hot glue gun and starts to pick it up to glue her project together. Since she's 6, this is not a good idea. Notice the negligent facilitators behind her. So the 6-year-old girl is working on her science project. You, the facilitator, know that she's going to need help gluing it, so you use the glue gun for her. Now if we go to our 3-step check system to help analyze this situation, we first ask, is it safe for you, the facilitator? Yes, it is. Is it safe for the guest? In the first instance, it wasn't, because the little girl could have burned her hand. So that's an unsafe situation that we improved. You see your co-facilitator using a saw incorrectly, and you don't do anything about it. Using our 3-check system, let's start with number 1. Is this harmful for the facilitator? Definitely. So you see the facilitator using the saw incorrectly. What you do is introduce the proper technique to use the saw, which would be to use a guide. Nice, good job. That's great teamwork. Alright, a group of kids come in and just start rummaging through all the stuff in the studio. They're clearly making a really big mess. The negligent facilitator on the left doesn't do anything. Now they're drawing on the table. If we use our 3-step check system, is it harmful for the guest? Possibly. Is it harmful for the facilitator? No. Is it harmful for the equipment? Definitely. So we need to do something about it. Kids come running in the studio, starting to rummage through all the stuff. You, as the good facilitator, goes up and lets them know that we're doing a facilitated activity. So instead of them drawing on the tables, they can now make a scribble robot. Good job, facilitator. So a 6-year-old kid runs and jumps up on the chair up onto the unsafe counter. So if we use the 3-step check system, is it safe for the facilitator, who's negligent on the side to the right over there? Yes, it's safe for her. But is it safe for the guest? Definitely not. She could easily fall off. So we need to do something about the situation. So you notice that a 6-year-old child is sitting up top the counter. So you, as the good facilitator, brings her a stool to use. That looks safe to me, and you help her build. So notice how the facilitator, Emily, is doing a really good job of helping one kid, and has also made sure that the kid on the right is content making her automata. Everything looks really safe, but see how she's very aware. So she keeps checking the entrance to see if anybody comes in, and look, a kid does come in. And since she's scanning and being very aware, she can help the kid, have her stop running, and to work on a very cool science project. What a good facilitator.